Now, let us understand how nodes work in a blockchain. We can transact in cryptocurrency using our wallet, which we can create on a various wallet applications like MetaMask and send or receive data or cryptocurrency through that wallet. But we do not have to stay in the network and keep validating transactions for everyone. Not every participant using the blockchain has to verify transactions happening across the globe or even take part in consensus. There are special participants who have been assigned this task. These participant servers are called nodes. The job of a node is to maintain a copy of the blockchain ledger, participate in consensus process by validating and verifying transactions. Let me explain to you using the earlier example. The citizens of the land have adopted the blockchain technology and started transacting using the cryptocurrency. There are some members in the village who have volunteered to take the responsibility of a node. So anyone in the land wants to transfer cryptocurrency, they come to these collaborators who will check the balance of the benefactor individually and allow the transactions to process. Here are the nodes talking to each other in a network. So node 1 will first verify the balance and check if it follows all the rules of the network and register it in its ledger. It will then broadcast the transaction to everyone in the network. Other collaborators receive the information and verify the transaction individually and update their ledger. The collaborators enter the details of the transaction with their respective signature to assert that it has been verified. Now, this method of consensus has many benefits. First, it makes the transactions immutable. The immutability is a property which, through consensus system, ensures that once a transaction is validated and added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This provides a high level of security and trust in the integrity of the data stored on the blockchain, which is important for any financial transaction. As the aim of the blockchain is to make the financial system less centralized, taking consensus helps us carry that out. Decentralization is the process in which the system consensus system allows for a decentralized network, meaning that there is no central authority or single point of failure. This provides greater resilience against attacks and makes it more difficult for malicious actors to manipulate the system. The consensus system ensures that all the participants on the network have access to same information and that all transactions are recorded and stored publicly on the blockchain. This provides a high level of transparency and accountability as all participants can verify and audit the transactions on the blockchain. Efficiency. The consensus system allows for an efficient and fast transaction processing as it eliminates the need of intermediaries and reduces transaction cost. Trust. The consensus system provides a high level of trust in the network as all the transactions are validated and approved by the network participants rather than just a central authority. This can help to foster a great trust between parties in a transaction as they can rely on the blockchain to enforce the terms of the agreement. Now, there are multiple types of nodes which are present in a network. Here is the brief description of all of them. There is a full node which maintain a complete copy of blockchain ledger and validate all transactions on the network. They participate in the consensus process and help secure network by verifying transactions and creating new blocks. Mining node are just a type of nodes which work on adding new nodes into the system using computational power. It also adds new transactions into the new blocks, which now light nodes are type of nodes that do not maintain a complete copy of the blockchain ledger. Instead, they rely on other nodes on the network to provide them with necessary information to validate transactions. Master nodes are nodes that provide additional services to the network, such as increasing transaction speed, improving security. They require a certain amount of cryptocurrency as collateral, which acts as an incentive for them to perform their duties faithfully. Validators are also a type of node which requires stake of cryptocurrency to participate, which validator nodes just validates transactions and proposes new blocks.